Put him in, over here. Over here, hurry, right here.
No, it's not bowl, you can't go.
Put the egg in the sack.
Put him in there one at a time. Now go. Bring your bag over. There you go. Over here.
Hey, Bo, we're out there by the trees, okay? That's the hang of it. Go this tree, right here.
Look around. Find him. There's plenty everywhere.
Keep going, go all the way around the tree, bud. Now go get some more. Go get some more. Go get another one.
I think there's a chicken bone in his lungs. There's something in his lungs. I'm afraid.
There might be chicken bones around here.
There's literally something in his throat.
Run, Kyler, run! Where else, Kobe? Where else? You see any more? Run, go that way.